Hello friends, welcome back to Navigator Neha. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day and it has to be healthy, quick and tasty enough to satisfy all the family members in the house. So I have come up with some of the recipes for which we need very less ingredients and we can prepare it at home very easily. So let's get started. Upma is one of the most common South Indian breakfast recipe. We can make it very quickly. You can also make quick upma recipe healthier by adding lots of vegetables like carrots, beans, tomatoes, peas, potatoes, etc. Poha is a quick breakfast made with beaten rice, spices, peanuts, onions, potatoes, peas, etc. It is very popular in Maharashtra and Gujarat. It can be eaten not only as a breakfast but also for a snack or quick dinner. Idli is a very popular South Indian breakfast. Idli is a soft and fluffy steamed cake made of flattened rice and lentil batter. Idlis are easily digestible as the rice and lentils are soaked, ground, and fermented and then prepared by steaming the batter. We can also serve this with chutney or sambar. Medu vadas are one of the very popular South Indian breakfast. Vadas are deep fried savory food made of lentils. Usually they are made of soaking and grinding dal to make a batter. Then small portions of this batter is deep fried. You can also serve this with sambar, coconut chutney or rasam. What makes this a popular breakfast choice is that it is made with some easily available ingredients in your kitchen. You can also make this with leftover idli batter. If you are in hurry, so you can prepare this delicious food with rava or suji. For this, there is no grinding or fermentation required. You can make this within 15-20 minutes. Dosa is a pancake made from fermented rice and dal batter. You can serve hot dosa along with sambar, chutney and potato masala mixture. There are many versions in the dosa, like you can prepare masala dosa, set dosa, oats dosa, plain dosa, cheese dosa, rava dosa, neer dosa, etc. Uttapam is light and easy on the stomach and can be served for breakfast or evening snack. To make it more healthy, you can top it with different veggies like onion, tomatoes, green chilies, carrots, and coriander leaves. Thalipit is flat bread mainly prepared with combination of flours with the addition of spices like coriander and cumin. In addition, onions and other veggies can be also added to make it complete meal by itself. Khatta dhokla are popular steamed cake made using rice and urad dal. It's enjoyed as a breakfast or tea time snack. So they are a good gluten-free snack and nutritious too. Khaman dokla is a soft, fluffy, spongy and a great snack at any time of the day. This is also an instant khaman dokla recipe. You can prepare it in 15-20 minutes. These savory cakes are really light and fluffy. You can serve this with coriander chutney, chilies or even raw papaya chutney. There are many varieties in puris like soft puri, bedmi puri, luchai puri, aloo puri, spinach puri, masala puri, paneer puri, etc. You can prepare any type of puris and enjoy it in the breakfast. Bhakris are one of the healthy and nutritious option to eat in the breakfast. You can eat ready-made khakras of many varieties or you can also make it at home from rotis. Parathas are very popular as a breakfast meal, especially in North India. Parathas are heavy and enough meal in itself. There are many varieties in paratha like aloo paratha, paneer paratha, mooli paratha, methi paratha, cheese paratha, onion paratha, lachha paratha, plain paratha, etc. We can prepare these both dishes easily at home and enjoy in the breakfast. Vada pav is a Mumbai street food. It's affordable, cheap, and favorite fast food. Vada pav served with red garlic chutney and green chutney, and we can prepare it easily at home. Chillas are easy, simple, and perfect for breakfast. Add some vegetables of your choice to make it more healthy. Some variations are suji chilla, besan ka chilla, moong dal chilla, oats chilla, etc. Misal pav is popular and famous Maharashtrian breakfast recipe. It is delicious, heavy, and wholesome meal in itself. Vermicellis are thin noodles that's used in Indian traditional dishes. It can be used in both sweet and savory preparations. Bread is one of the versatile ingredients in our kitchen. You can eat vegetable sandwich, bread with butter, bread with jam, bread pizza, garlic bread, bread toast, etc. If you are in hurry, then you can also drink oats with milk, cornflakes with milk, chocos with milk, or muesli with milk. It's easy and quick. Some other options of breakfast are cutlet, jaggery with roti, pasta, waffles, etc. You can also eat some seasonal fruits in this summer season. You can also consume some beverages in the breakfast like milkshakes, juices, lassi, lemon water, coconut water, hot chocolate, smoothies, etc. I hope you liked this video. Thank you.